Thank you so much for the testimonials. I really do appreciate it. And thank you for purchasing my ebook, Talk It Out, Don't Block It Out. So you guys check this out.
I'd like to say that
and make sure you join the free parenting support group.
And showed me a lot of stuff that happened to her that she was able to battle her way through. And the main thing is to talk it out with somebody and don't block it out. And remember, part of her book is you can always get counseling to help you through your situations, because you're not the only one out there that might be having problems. There's always someone else that have a problem that can help you with.